day. I'm Aubrey Pinaar. I am the chairman of iPlan Global. Our company is putting together an online discussion for senior executives in manufacturing businesses who often find themselves blinded when they need to make major decisions. I'm talking about decisions like in the recent pandemic. Do we lay off people, or do we try to weather the storm? Do we close a line that we might believe is unprofitable, or do we try to keep it going? That level of decision requires data, accurate, relevant data, but too often CEOs, CFOs, COOs, those kind of people find themselves blinded when they have to make those decisions. This online discussion will focus on that, and I'd like to invite you to register and attend that discussion.